Welcome to our hiking week in the Azores, taking the Madeira hiking spirit of the island and São Miguel. It's different, wilder, wetter, greener, but just like Madeira, it's raw, untamed and full of surprises. Let's dive into day one, starting with one of the most powerful places on the island, Lagoa do Fogo. Before every great adventure, there is a great breakfast, and now we go back to our car to start our hike. On day one, we started our hike on a marked trail heading towards Lagoa do Fogo. The group didn't really know what to expect, but the energy was great. The weather was kind and we were ready for whatever the day had in store. The first part was steady uphill, nothing too crazy. We laughed, we talked, and slowly climbed higher into the green heart of São Miguel. Then came one of the most surreal sections, walking along a narrow levada, steep cliffs on one side, thick jungle on the other, lush red, almost prehistoric. It's hard to describe, it's the kind of green that you feel more than you see. Eventually we reached the Valley of the Seagulls. During nesting season it's full of bird calls echoing through the cliffs, and if you listen closely you just know there must be water nearby. And after the way up through the valley we saw it, Lagoa do Fogo, the lake of fire, a volcanic crater lake formed in the 1500s, untouched, surreal, quiet. We took a moment to pause, to just breathe it in. And now we will leave you with these nice views of the lake of fire. The way back and down was steep, fast, and definitely not the tourist route, but the team handled it, and one careful step at a time. We made one last stop at the Fábricas da Luz, an old hydroelectric plant built in 1904. It once powered Ribeira Grande, now it's a forgotten ruin, lost in mines and times. At the heart of these ruins, something remarkable happens. A single tree, old, stubborn, alive, has pushed its roots deep into the stone walls of the Fábricas da Luz. That's a quick jump, but later, after dinner, we drove west to one of the most iconic places in the Azores, Sete Cidades, two crater lakes, one blue, one green, born from volcanic fire and a local legend. It's said they were formed by the tears of two forbidden lovers. Above the lake sits the abandoned Monte Palace Hotel. It opened in 1989 as a 5-star dream with the best view on the island, but just 1 year later it closed. Too remote, too soon. Today it's a ghost, broken glass, graffiti and silence, but the view is still priceless. On the way back, we turned around one last time, and there it was, the sky glowing over the Atlantic, lighting up the clouds in orange and gold. No words, just a perfect ending of a perfect day. Hi, my name is Fogo, with more and more tourists discovering Madeira Island. We have made it to our mission to explore the hidden gems and off the beaten path trails of this beautiful island. I want to share with you the best of the best together with an official guide master. We organize 2 hiking weeks each year, and in our accommodation home office Madeira we provide adventures for remote workers who love to explore. I'm passionate about Madeira and I'm excited to share that love with you. So join our adventures and we hope to see you soon.